Sat in the van waiting for Emma Evans to open so we can get some parts to fix one of them.
Ah, it's very cute.
This should be the same as this one. Yeah. See, it's one. The steps should be like that.
So you took this out the other day?
Of here.
Of here.
There's supposed to be bushes in here, but they've broken up because the rubbish JCB steel bushes. So I need to replace these if they fit, if they're not sloppy, because they might be sloppy and they might need to build it up with weld, and replace these bronze bushes in here and this pin here as well for this piece. There's a piece of bush and a piece of hay, obviously. Take. Like that. Cracked here, and they didn't have these on, so I've put these on for a bit of extra strength.
Yeah.
That's a good sign that it's tight in there, isn't it? Come in. See it on that side. These are the new ones. See how well, I think we're going to get away without building it up with any weld. Hopefully. Because what happens is, when this gets wear in it, because all the strains on this side of the machine, and then the boom goes like this. And in some cases I've seen it where the boom has been actually hitting against the cab.
Yeah.
Done quite a few of these. One of them, that spacer, and then another bush. And then there's a hole through that where a retaining bolt goes through. So that needs lining up. Bolt goes through the outside all the way. trusty brass bar so it doesn't damage the spacer. Otherwise you'll have problems trying to put the pin in. This is a hollow jack. I should have checked that fits first. Yeah. Use that to pull these bushes in.
Scared me.
Right. Tighten that up.
Me?
Yeah. Okay, tight. Okay, pump handle.
What?
Pump handle. The actual ram on the jack doesn't go out very far. And goes out about that much. But that's what's handy about a third buyer. You can just tighten it up. See, it only goes out that much. That's gone all the way now, is it? Yeah. I like to start them off with a hammer. Make sure they're square. Otherwise you could be pulling them in on an angle and put yourself into a load of trouble. I have to try and hold that there. Try and pull it in a bit.
Is that my job?
Well, you just try and do it with a jack.
I think I moved it.
Right.
I did move it.
Tight for the second name. good though.
Yeah.
Give it a whirl, eh? Should pull them both in at the same time now. Just pulling the other side in first. That one going now?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Done.
In chance of that ball go through there. Oh my God. Wow. That was a good guess, wasn't it? Yeah?
Yeah. You impressed yourself?
Yes. Very, very impressed, because that never happens. Especially when someone's watching you. Right, need to get these out now.
Oh, I thought there was a spider in there then.
Major design flaw on these machines. These always need replacing, but JCB, in their wisdom, put the exhaust pointing this way so it blows the smoke right in your face when you're working on it here. Okay. Out! I don't like getting the gas in it because it makes a mess. You can burn the pipes and stuff here. Last resort's the gas. You can see it when it's broken here. But I've got to the outer.
Yeah.
You can see it there, yeah?
Happy?
Looks like he's had new bushes before.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's scores in it. See 2 there, and all the way there. And looks like someone's burnt it out with gas. We must increase our bust.
One subscription, 2 apps. There's more to discover with free. Try 1 month free of charge.
There's a right and a wrong way to put circlips on. I love circlips. Not. Small side, smaller holes this side, bigger this side. You're gonna make someone's life a misery, put them big side. Small side towards you every time. Hate circlips. This is the pin in place. Just needs grease nipple put in here and greasing up. And then this one's Monday's job. remove that pin, some new bushes in here to get rid of this slop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.